Hi there, my name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video we will work on the validation of the product thumbnail using PHP. We validate this product thumbnail based on their size and their extension name. In the last video, we worked on the uploading file and change the file name based on date and time, and we moved that file into the targeted directory. So let's see how can you validate this product thumbnail using backend part. So first of all, I write a variable for the extension name. So I'll just take variable allow types equals to. Now I take an array, and in this array I define some collection of the extension like the JPG, GIF, okay, PNG and GIF. Okay, not GIF. I choose the JPEG for the now only. Okay, and also I define the maximum file size. So take variable max file size equals to 5 into 1024 into 1024, and it's defined the 5 MB. Okay, if you write here as a 6, it's mean that it's only allowed to 6 MB. But I move back. Okay, now I write another comment for check if the file is uploaded without any errors. Okay, and how can you get that? We just need to write, first of all, just copy this line. Copy this line and put in the if condition. If product thumbnail and error equals to, I take a constant variable which is upload error. Okay, when you hover your mouse pointer at this point, as you can see, there is a constant variable already defined in the PHP, which is the 0. Okay, now let's see, and I cut this line and move into the if condition. Okay, now let's work on the allow types. So let's see, if in array, there is a inbuilt function which is in array, where you choose the file extension name. Okay, when you hover on this in array, it's asked for the needles, the hashtags, and if you want to put any boolean value. So I just copied this file extension name, and for the second parameter I write this allow types dollar. Yeah, if this is will be working fine. If our file extension name is matched with any one key, any one value, then it will be fine. Otherwise, so I just put a exclamation mark. If it's not in this array, so it's return a result with the status with the error, and the message, I've typed the message also. I typed invalid, start the quotes, invalid file extension. Okay, now that's good. I just print this result at here. So I just type the echo JSON encode and I put this variable like that. I put this the result at here with the encoded JSON, and for the now I just write the die. Now let's check. Now I type the title, name, okay, title, name, choose category, any one of them. Okay, now choose the file with a different kind of data. So I choose this PSD file, and I test, and there is a test also. Okay, now when I click on the save button, let's see what happened in the network tab. When I click on the save, let's see in the production. I'm in the product.php file. As you can see, we got a message invalid file extension, which is the PSD. Okay, and when I choose this JPG, there is undefined variables, which is the result, because we put that result in the if condition. So if it type else, so type the else if our extension is okay. So now we need to move to the file size. Okay, so how can you get the file size? I just copied this line and and paste it under this and next to the line. I choose the file size and just change the size. Now else if our file size greater than our max file size, so I just copy this max file size at here, then it's again return a message with the result. I just copy this result, error, I just type the invalid file size. Max file size is this. Okay, yeah, and I concatenate with this. Okay, now okay, sorry, we don't need that. Yeah, now let's see. Now I choose a bigger size. Okay, let's see. Okay, currently here we have the 2.33 MB. So I just change the file size for the now. I just type the 2 MB, and I just type the 2 MB for the now, and let's select this file and now click on the save. Now it says invalid file size, max file size is it's that. So I'm not sorry for that. I just typed the is 2 MB. Okay, now if if also it's pass this data, like if I choose and I choose this small size of the okay, this now as you can see it's a webp. Now click on the save. It says invalid file extension webp. Okay, now I choose a different kind of the file. I just choose this. Okay, again I choose this, and now again click on the save. Now it's again it shows the undefined variable result in, so undefined variable dollar result. So if also we if we are pass this both validation, what we need to do, we just need to write the else, and I just put this, I just cut this line and put it at here. Okay, and for this line, like here we have this upload error. If we got any error, then else I type another result, just copy these lines, and again I just put this at paste it here, and I write I just type the error uploading file. Okay, and here we go. Okay, and okay, I just change this result. Here is the data. Okay, there is no need to worry. I just change with the result also at the bottom. Result, and yeah, all is fine. I just remove this line, and I just take another blank variable, which is the result. Okay, now it's cool. Now move back. Yeah, I just copied this result and paste it in the JSON code. Okay, now let's see. Now I open my product page, and I type the name of the Galaxy Jet Flip. Choose the mobile and choose the Samsung 1500 and 1450. I choose thumbnail. I choose the different kind of SVG file. Text description, long description. After that, okay, now let's click on the save. What we got? Undefined variable, new file name. Let's see. Okay, sorry, that's my mistake. So I just cut this line again, and not here. I cut this line also and move it at here after this moving uploaded file function. Okay, and I write a comment uploaded and store into database. Okay, now let's see. Now I just clear this. Now click on the save. Let's see. Invalid file extension svg. Now I want to show this message into our front end. So how can you do that? Let's go back to our front end part, and let's see. Yeah, where is that? Okay, let's console this response first of all. So I just console dot log response. Let's see in the console. For now, I'm just going to refresh this page. Now click on the add new product again, the t-shirt, and choose any category. Okay, there is no laptop. Okay, this SP laptop, regular price 1200, and this is 1100. Now choose the file name at a different extension, test. Now click on the save. Let's see in the console. Let's clear this, save. So as you can see, we got a response message in our console. So if response.status equals to error, so if response.status equals to error, then so as you can see here, we have a selector already for the product thumbnail. So I just copied this line and I paste it over here, and I paste the response message. What was the message? Response.message. Okay, response.message. Now let's see. and now let's return it. Okay, now just refresh this page again. Now click on the button and write the again product name and just choose the category, anyone. Okay, now choose a thumbnail, the different extension again, test, and now click on the save. As you can see, here we have our validation message from the backend and printed on the form. Now if I choose a correct image like with the correct jpg file, now when I click on the save, it says invalid file size and the max file size files. Okay, this is the file is okay. Just go back to the my product action.php file and the max file size. Okay, and when we work on the backend, you don't need to refresh this page. We just need to click on the save again, and now you got the validation message from the backend, which is the invalid file size. Max file size is 2 MB. Now I choose a different image. Okay, I choose this image. Yeah, it's a 61 KB only. Now let's click on the save. Okay, it's a capital letter. So, but I don't want to put this dot png in caps letter. So I just write I write a inbuilt function name, which is the str to lower, and change all of the extension in a small case. Now let's see, click on the save. Now it's saved on our database. There is only 3 data. Now click on the browse. Now here we, as you can see, here we had the product name, the category ID, and their regular prices, and their product thumbnail, and here is our description and all of the things. So as you can see, how can you validate our product thumbnail based on their size and their extension name using PHP, and fetch that error messages from the PHP using this JSON and print that message in our front end panel without reloading our web page. So in the next video, we will work on the fetch all the product list and print that all the products on our home page. So meet you soon in the next video, and stay with me. Happy coding.